large fries, large Coke, and a 10-piece chicken nuggets with no sauce.
1 second, please. What was that again?
Alright, parents of autistic children, I know you probably know this as much as I do and everything, but kids like to get into some weird patterns or weird by our standards, but they get a little annoying sometimes. Something like this. And that's the entire video. He's just clicking it over and over again. Good afternoon. How are these numbers today? Looks pretty crappy, but I can hear just a little inkling of something on 20 meters. Of course, now as soon as I turn the camera on it, they stop talking. Sounds pretty open to me. It's been a long time since I've heard anything on 14300 like a marine HF net. I don't know if it's just my antenna or conditions or if they moved it, but does anyone know if they still have it on this frequency anymore? Yeah, it's definitely time to get this grass cut over here. With the temperature plunging from the 90s to the 70s and even 60s, I mean, it even got down to 47 this morning for a low. So, yeah, we're rocking the full-length jeans now, so pretty sure summer's done. Huh? And the boys home. Okay, getting a little hungry here, so we're in the drive-through of a major restaurant. Large fries, large Coke, and a 10-piece chicken nuggets with no sauce.
1 second, please. What was that again?
Okay.
What was that again?
What was that again? What was that again?
Alright, was that everything?
Yes, that's it.
1386 for the please.
Getting all this interference, I think, is either from the air conditioner or washer and dryer. Down on 75 meters. And according to DX Summit again, here's what they're saying for atmospheric conditions or everything's S6 to S9. Well, unless this noise is from atmospheric conditions, I think it's from my air conditioner or my washer dryer. I can still hear a few signals out there, so it must not be that bad just yet. There it goes again. Well, at least somebody's active on 17, or at least trying. Oh, and just got to thinking, got something in the microwave for the last 10 minutes or so. That might be interfering. But if anybody can recognize that right off the bat, let me know. I don't know. In their space weather conditions right now, it seems pretty poor out there.